Hey everybody, I'm Andrew with Ventrac, and today we're going to discuss the engine heater for our tractors. While driving in today, the temperature was reading about -2, -1 degrees, and right now it's sitting around 10 degrees, so there's no better scenario to test this accessory kit. Behind me I've got two tractors, they're both 4520Ys. The dual tractor is outfitted with this kit, where the single has no kit at all. So what we're gonna do before we even get these tractors started up is we're just gonna take some temperature readings at the lower radiator hose where the kit's installed, just to see where we're already starting off. So we're gonna do the single tires only first. So this one has no engine heater kit. We are currently reading about 5 to 7 degrees, depending on where you point it at the radiator hose. So that's what we're looking at. The engine block is sitting at about 12 degrees. Now we'll step over to the engine heater kit. The radiator hose right now is reading about anywhere from 103 to 105. So way warmer than the other. And the engine block, we're sitting at almost 40 degrees. So here's a close-up of the engine heater kit. All we really did was replace the lower radiator hose with this kit. Installation is really straightforward, and our installation manuals are really helpful with the process, or you could take it to your dealership and have them install it for you. So with those temperature readings alone, we have almost a 90-degree difference on those radiator hoses, and engine blocks were sitting at around a 20 to 25-degree difference as well. So already we're seeing the unique benefit of running this heater in a cold environment. An important thing with all of our diesels, as you turn that key over, the first thing we're going to look for is that glow plug, and that typically stays on for about 6 seconds. And we're ready to move some snow. So again, we're turning that key, waiting for that glow plug to illuminate. So it's illuminated now. Once it goes off, we'll start it up. It will start. It's just not going to like it. So as we can see, it took a little work. The tractor still started, but that's a lot on the engine, that's a lot on the metal, and it's going to take a long time for this tractor to warm up. All right, I hope that you all enjoyed this quick overview of the engine heater. The moral of the story is if you all own a Ventrac and you're working in snow removal or just using your tractor during winter months or even live in a northern climate, the engine heater is definitely an accessory that you should add to your tractor if it's not currently outfitted with one. If you have any questions about this accessory kit or any other kit that we offer, feel free to leave a comment below or give us a call. I always love talking to customers about all the equipment that we offer here at Ventrac, so look forward to talking to you.